Subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming.
Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amok back with another interesting video. And thanks to Asus India, today we are going to be doing an unboxing and my first impressions with this Asus Zenbook UX430U. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So talking about the packaging, it is quite decent. Opening up the box, the first thing you see is the laptop itself, inside of this white sleeve. Then moving on, you have a charging bundle, a USB to LAN port dongle, a micro HDMI to a HDMI dongle, and some documentation. Now talking about the physical overview and build quality, I must say this laptop looks as well as feels very premium. The front panel here has a glass coating and Asus branding, which makes it very shiny. Rest of the body is completely made out of metal, which should give it a very sturdy look. Here we have the blue color, but it is also available in gold, rose gold and grey. Now as far as thickness is concerned, it is very thin, 15.9mm to be precise. Also in terms of weight, you can easily carry it in one hand thanks to its 1.25 kg of lightweight design. Now continuing with the physical overview, to the left you get a charging port, a USB 3.0 port, a micro HDMI port, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port. Then moving on to the right, you get another USB 3.0 port, a card reader slot and some small indicators for battery and power. Talking about the bottom part, you get two speaker grills which Asus claims are powered by Harman Kardon, along with some serial information. The hinges of this machine are very soft. You don't need to use both of your hands to open the panel. Opening up the front panel, you can see a full-fledged keyboard with backlit LED along with a touchpad which also features a fingerprint scanner. Now let's talk about the specifications of this machine. Here you get two models of this laptop, a Core i5 8th Generation 1 and i7 8th Generation 1. Our model is the i7 8th Generation. This processor has a base frequency of 1.8 GHz with a max turbo frequency of up to 4 GHz. This comes with Nvidia GeForce MX 150 of graphic card, which is a 2GB graphic card. This comes preloaded with Windows 10 Home. And now moving on to the screen size, it is having a 14 inches of 1920 by 1080 panel with a 100% RGB color gamut. As far as storage, you get a 512GB of SSD drive along with 8GB of DDR4 RAM. And last but not the least, you get a 50V 3-cell lithium polymer battery. And now finally, if we talk about the pricing, the base model starts from Rs 93,990 and goes all the way up to 1,25,000. But is this laptop really worth to spend on your 1 lakh rupees? Well, for that you need to wait and watch our full review, which I will post after testing this laptop for a week. Also, if you are interested in a dedicated gaming review of the same, then let me know in the comment section below. Well, that's it for this video then. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, share this with your friends and subscribe to the channel for some more videos on this Zenbook UX430U. That's all for this video then. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.